Gar on the comm, this is Gar.
This is the room I've been waiting for, yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I've very little honor to insult. We'll talk later. I know everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. One line. The Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speed means profit. Chewbacca, my fine buddy friend. Yes, as we discussed. You can leave the ship here. The spaceport has plenty of room, especially for your counter. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, time to go, so, bye. I bought you the perfect ship. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better we work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers, you steal their crates. See you in the cockpit.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados inmóviles.
Right, pilot. Made the jump to hyperspace. And good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. Nice work on the tractor beam. Gunners, take out those scouts. Nice shot, gunners. Enough practice. We're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. Any plan? Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Right, engineer. Launch the homing beacons. Good work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Endor? Let's see what we find. Grogu, buckle up. Just the light speed. The Death Star. Our bounties tried to hide. Pilots headed in the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Engineers, grab the crate from your tractor beam. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target.
Engineers, how many crates do we have?
Stay off the comms, Onaka. Pilot, hit the boosters. Nice flying. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Others, release the torpedo. Now. Great shot. Let's head out before there's any more surprises. Make the jet to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
You brought me back crates. Excellent work. Unloading now. Oh, these will fetch many credits for me. And some for you too, of course.
Grogu and I will hand over the pirate to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
All available text, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.